Right, here's a video of the Uniden Pro538w. I've got a couple of these for sale on eBay right now. They all perform about the same as far as dead key and swing, and I'll show you what they're doing. So here's your dead key up here. About 6 watts. Audio. And here's the swing over here on the bottom left. Audio. Alright, now that's with just a stock microphone. This is a Superstar here, but pretty much same as like a stock Cobra mic or any other mic. These radios were meant to be used with an electric condenser microphone, which is what this is, the Midland one, but this has a condenser in it, and I'll show you how it performs with one of those microphones now. Audio. Audio. I'll show you the peak power. Audio. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. So there you can hear the difference. So I recommend for anyone buying these, if you don't have a power mic, you might want to pick one up. Otherwise, get a stock electric microphone. A lot of the old like Pro 510s came with them. Otherwise, I'm sure you can find a bunch of them on eBay. You want an electric condenser microphone, and that'll really help this radio talk. Alright, there you go.